Romel Mountain is set to go down against Wilfredo Flores. Romel Mountain is on a grind. I think he's a very much big talent. Big deal is his nickname 5'2", 138 pounds. He is small, but extremely powerful and strong. He's tried running Viamonte, Frank Zaldivar, Hilario Martinez Moreno, Victor Vasquez, and many other high level opponents. On the other side, Wilfredo Flores is a bit taller than him, but he's more of a decision guy, he was losing or winning decisions, which you can see according to his score records. But he lost to Gary Kelly, who was very aggressive. He lost to Matthew Gonzalez, who played aggressively. I'm actually thinking that Kermel Mutton is gonna go for all or nothing, and he's just that type of a fighter, all or nothing guy. So if I must pick a side, I'm gonna go with Kermel Mutton, but I'm saying the fight will not go the distance. Good luck to everybody.